I want to introduce you another powerful software from Altair company that has a lots of software. This software is based on nerves modeling and it has powerful construction history modeling. It means if you sketch with the nerves and the spline, then you can convert it to the 3D model, and after that you can come back and change anywhere, anytime if you want. And let's see what happened. We are in an Altair 1. It means it has a lot of software in one place, and now you can see which modeling we can create with that. Okay. You can see we have interesting user interface of this software. We have a lot of tools for creating models and easy access. You can see we have a sketch with distance, and if you change the distance, the model will automatically be changed. You can see it's very nice, and you have powerful polynerves things. You can see you can change the points and all the models will be changed. And here is our construction history. It means if you modeling with nerves, then you can see you can change the splines, and then it has a powerful render systems, real time and the final render. It's very interesting and powerful. And then you can use software in your product. You can go to Altair and create an account, and then you can use a trial version of this software, and if you want you can buy it if you want. Now you can see we are in Altair 1. You can try or buy. You have to send a request, and then you can come to your apps and simply download it, and you have half a mouse to use it, and you can download it, and it has a document and lots of video that you want. You can see we have in Altair 1 has a lots of software that you can use it. One of them is Inspire Studio. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.